In today's video, we're bringing you 4 intense police chases, from slow speed pursuits to high stakes foot chases. Watch as law enforcement officers showcase quick thinking and bravery in the face of danger, and stick around as we break down the details and legal implications of each incident. On November 20, 2024, deputies from the Van Buren County Sheriff's Office stopped a red Chevy pickup truck in Paw Paw, Michigan, driven by wanted suspect Jeffrey Henry. What followed was a slow speed chase.
Stop me right now.
Why is that?
Because I'm turning myself in before 2 o'clock. I gotta go to Walmart and gas station and take this truck back home, and I'm being brought back to town.
Okay, roll the window down for me.
No.
Well, roll the window down. Jeff, if I have to smash the window, you're gonna catch another charge. Okay? Hop out the truck and we can talk about it, Jeff.
No, we're not.
Jeff, hop out of the vehicle. Who are you trying to call? Okay, and I'll make a phone call.
You can do it right now before I take off.
Okay, well, hop out the truck then. Who are you trying to call?
I'm calling, right now I'm calling Kurt the bondsman, because he already talked to the captain. I'm turning myself in before 2 o'clock.
Unit over up.
Jeff, if you leave, you're going to be committing a flee and elude. Okay, well, I still need you to get out of the vehicle, okay? Jeff, you're going to catch another charge, buddy. You're going to end up going to prison if you end up doing something stupid.
Henry refused to exit the vehicle, threatened to damage the deputy's car, and fled. After a brief pursuit, Sheriff Daniel Abbott successfully brought the chase to an end.
With them, I will pull over westbound on Michigan. Northbound, check it. Northbound on the 57. Northbound on the 57. There's a westbound 57. Turning on the 39. Turning north on the 39. Clear. Northbound 39th Street, 60 miles an hour, no traffic, 1311. Felony stop. Copy, felony stop, 1312. Copy, felony stop, 1312.
What don't you understand? Keep them there. Come on.
Get out. Open it. Open it. I'll smash it. Open.
I'm gonna.
Open it now.
I am. Don't grab me. I'm already hurt.
Hop on out. Henry, already out on bond for other charges, was arrested and is facing multiple charges, including flee and elude. He is now in the Van Buren County Jail. On June 12, 2024, around 5 p.m., Atlanta officers responded to a shooting in 142 Joseph A. Lowry Boulevard Northwest. They identified 4 male suspects in a blue Tesla involved in the shooting. Officers later spotted the vehicle near 10th Street Northwest.
Copy. Should be coming up to Whitehall next. Stand by.
How's that going on? Do you still have a secondary unit?
That's a negative. Continuing over McDaniel. Yes, I do have a secondary unit, if they can call it.
Alright, Phoenix, we got it. Let's call it, we got it.
Got it on Peters going westbound. Westbound on Peters. Westbound on Peters. Westbound on Whitehall. Coming up to Oak. Long lanes of travel. Gonna be going 70 plus. Still on Whitehall. Heavy
Heavy traffic up ahead, y'all. Heavy traffic up ahead. Almost 41. We are still south on Whitehall, crossing over 48. Heavy traffic up ahead, y'all. Heavy traffic up ahead. Almost 41. We are still south on Whitehall, crossing over 48. 60 miles wrong lane. Travel again, back on the right side. Green safe. Nice traffic up ahead. 41 Team Marietta Tetran. Hey, just crossed over Lee. Still on Whitehall, you got heavy.
Switch to the other zone. Phoenix should be the only one talking on this radio.
We're still on Lee. 41 spinning out. It's gonna be on Lee. He just gained control. We gained control. Spinning out. It's gonna be right on Lee. He just gained control. We gained control. Continuing on Lee. The vehicle is slowing down. Still with it. Just stopping in the middle of the intersection. The vehicle has stopped. Gonna be at Lee and Oakland. Lee and Oakland. You got a driver running out. I'll stay with the driver.
Hey, coming up on your six. Hands. Don't you fuck.
After receiving permission to pursue, ACE units began the chase with air support tracking the suspect vehicle's direction. The driver lost control, and while the passengers were detained, the driver fled on foot but was quickly captured. Officers found a firearm hidden under his pants leg.
Don't you move, I swear to God.
Hey, are you good?
Stand by.
I got a question.
Go.
I got a question.
But it's not question time. It's not talking time. Any guns in the car? Come over here. Scoot, I don't give a what you gotta do. Let's go. Don't move. Face down. Don't move. Face down. Don't move. Stop moving. Yeah.
Black pants, black sneakers. Alright, he's gonna be giving.
Get out of there!
I got cuffs.
I'm sorry, sir. I didn't know.
No, you're not. You're good. Got him. Where at? Right here. I'm gonna pay it. It's right here. Right here. I got some scissors. Watch yourself.
The suspects were identified and arrested. All face multiple charges, including aggravated assault, aggravated battery, and possession of a firearm during the commission of a felony. On August 1st, 2024, Broward Sheriff's Office deputies spotted a stolen black GMC Denali near the Golden Glades interchange. Authorities followed the truck through Miami-Dade, and after briefly pulling over the driver, the 35-year-old Joseph Giannino, sped off, hitting a white Mercedes.
Lower all the windows! Driver! 1155, I got the signal 10, he's fleeing. We're gonna be 826 eastbound from 12.
826 eastbound from 12, is he on foot or is he on signal 10?
I'm behind a signal 10.
As Joseph continued recklessly, he lost control near the Golden Glades interchange, crashing into 3 vehicles and a box truck, causing the truck to roll over. The Denali finally stopped on the shoulder near State Road 91.
We're gonna be eastbound 23. Alright, 23. I believe he's signal for the vehicle right now. Alright, towards the turnpike. He's going 12 whiskey. Now going on the turnpike, signal 4 versus a truck, and we gotta roll over. Let me see your hands! Let me see your
2026.
Joseph was arrested and faces multiple charges, including aggravated fleeing and eluding, grand theft, leaving the scene, and driving with a suspended license. He was already on probation for a previous fleeing and eluding charge. On May 28, 2021, St. Louis Metropolitan Police attempted to pull over 32-year-old Don Ricks in connection with an armed robbery investigation. Ricks fled, driving erratically at over 100 miles per hour before crashing at the 3700 block of Nebraska Avenue.
You're right. Fuck, alright. Tell him he just crashed.
Are they still behind it?
Yeah.
How far ahead of them are they?
2-1 priority, he just hit an alley wall. We're heading
South.
correction. We're heading back north on Minnesota. We're at Chippewa.
Tell him his car's dying.
The car is dying. It's going like 10 miles per hour.
Eastbound.
We're eastbound right now on Chippewa.
Sector 12, copy.
Tell him we're coming up to Pennsylvania. His car's dying.
When was the robbery?
We're at Pennsylvania now.
Tell him the car's dying. He's
North
gonna
on
run.
Pennsylvania. Car's going about 5 miles per hour. He's looking to bail.
Attention cars, that vehicle is now northbound on Pennsylvania from Chippewa, 1803.
Now we're eastbound behind the 2900 block of Chippewa.
He's open doored.
North on Nebraska.
Oh shit! He's open doored.
North on Nebraska.
After crashing, Ricks fired at officers, and an officer returned fire during a brief shootout. Ricks then fled on foot but was captured in a nearby alley. One officer was grazed by a bullet but was later released from the
He's still
hospital.
running northbound on Nebraska up to Winnebago. He's armed with a black handgun, black jacket, gray pants. 2-1, he's running east through the yards here by Winnebago, Pennsylvania.
Hello? Oh, I'll get their exact location. Get the 100 block.
Attention cars, officer need to make Winnebago and Pennsylvania. Winnebago and Pennsylvania at 1804.
2-1, I no longer have eyes. We lost eyes. I got it! Get on the ground right now! 2-1, I got him in custody. Show me your fucking hands! Right now!
An advisor 1, start EMS. Get cars up there and get what 100 block he's on.
2-1, car, your location. 6500, the suspect's going through yard. Blue jacket, blue black jacket, blue black jacket.
2-1 Mini, I got him in custody. I'm in the eastern alley of the 3700 block of Nebraska.
1 in custody, East Alley, 3700 block of Nebraska. 320 Mini, what is your location?
2-1, Minnie, I'm in the car. We're
Why
going
the
to be
fuck you
heading up
shooting at
ours.
us?
If you could set up traffic, go right. We're going to go
Another one ran?
to 40, then 40 to Kings Highway to Barn.
Attention car, 321 is going to be in his car, being transported to Barnes. We're going to go
Shut the
north
f up!
on Grand 240 to Kings Highway to Barnes at 1805.
2-9, I'm setting up an arsenal on North Grand to block route.
Sorry, which Grand cars at Arsenal Grand?
29.
Ricks was arrested and a weapon was recovered. In 2023, he pleaded guilty to firing at police and was sentenced to 21 years in prison, with an additional 10 years for his involvement in a prior robbery.